Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an easy step-by-step way to prep the natural nails for acrylic application. I'm going to be doing it on my nails today, and the first step is you're going to be using your mandrel bit with your fine sanding band. You always want to make sure you're using a fine band to drill on the natural nail. Anything too coarse can damage the surface of the nail. So we're gonna use a fine sanding bit to remove all the shine and the natural oils from the nails, like so. And then you want to move it around the cuticle area to kind of push it back like that. So this is very important because you don't want any oils or anything that was on the nails prior, because that would cause lifting. So this is also an easier way to do cuticle prep, by pushing the cuticles back with the sanding band. To me, this is like the faster way to do it. For my drill, I have it on low, so it's not super high, it's on low. Okay. Then what you want to go ahead and do is take your cuticle bit and then just run it around the cuticle, just to make sure you get all that skin lifted from the nails, because if you don't and the acrylic attached to it, it will cause lifting. So just make sure you get in there real good. You can skip this step and just do like a cuticle pusher, but this is just what I do, and this is just what works for me. I feel like it's just also faster and a little bit more precise. Okay. So I have a lot of cuticle regrowth here, so I'm gonna cut some of it off. So I'm using my nippers to cut. And then you want to make sure you have super sharp nippers, because if you don't, or if for whatever reason your nippers are messed up, you can snag at the skin and you can cause like cutting and bleeding. So just make sure your tools are nice and sharp. See? You want to be able to just glide it and remove the skin. I got everything. Okay. So next, I'm gonna clip my nails down using my straight edge clippers. And then I'm gonna use my 180 file to file the nail and just shape it up before I put the tip on. You don't want like the ends to be sharp when you put your tip on, so just make sure that you file the edges of the nails and across the free edge. Okay. So we're gonna dust off the extra dust and debris that was left on here. So after that, you're pretty much ready for the nail tips, prime, and add acrylic. Very easy, very simple. The better your nail prep, the better the nails will be. So just keep that in mind. And if you guys enjoyed this video or have any questions regarding any nail preps or any videos that you guys would like to see, please comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching.